In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for a big presentation or just need a hard copy of your slides for reference, printing your slides is straightforward and I'll guide you step by step. First, head over to Google Slides, open your web browser and go to the Google Slides website. If you've used it before, you're likely familiar with this step, but if not, simply search for Google Slides on any search engine and it should be one of the top results. Once on the homepage, sign in to your Google account. You'll see a button or link prompting you to sign in, usually at the top right corner. Enter your email and password. This is crucial since all your saved presentations will be linked to your account. After signing in, you'll see any previous presentations you've saved. From here, you can start a new presentation or open an existing one. Click on blank presentation to create new slides or choose a template for a faster start. Now, you'll be taken to the main editing interface of Google Slides. Take a moment to review your slides and make sure everything is in order before printing. Make sure images, text, and shapes are properly aligned. Once ready to print, look at the top menu and locate File on the far left. Click it to reveal a drop-down menu, then scroll down and select Print. This brings up the Print dialog box. Here you can choose the printer, number of copies, layout style, page orientation, and paper size. You can also print handouts or notes pages if needed. Some printers allow color or black and white printing, which can save ink. Once satisfied, click Print to send your slides to the printer. Doing a test print first can save paper and avoid mistakes. And that's it. You've successfully printed your Google Slides presentation. You can now take your presentations from digital to physical with ease. For best results, consider exporting to PDF before printing to ensure slides look exactly as intended. Happy presenting, and see you in the next tutorial.